Alright, good morning. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying polynomials, but there are some special cases that you need to know about. So one such special case is when you have two binomials, right, x plus 5, x minus 5, and they're multiplying toward each other. So just take a look at the pattern that happens. So we're going to use the FOIL method. So x times x is x squared, cancel. And then first we do first, and then we do outer, right, x times negative 5 is negative 5x, and then we do inner plus 5x, and then finally we do last. So that would be plus 5 times negative 5 is a negative 25. So here's why it's a special case, because look at the inside terms. Negative 5 plus negative 5 will cancel each other out. So the reason why this is special is because whenever you see the same number inside the binomial, plus 5 and negative 5, they're always going to cancel each other out in the middle. So then you're going to end up with what they call two perfect squares. So x squared is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square. So it's the same case with this one here. You're going to have, again, n squared. I'm not even going to do the work because I kind of know what it's going to be. And then it's going to be, let's see, 1, and then negative 1. So you're going to end up with n squared minus 1. Same thing. The same principle sort of applies here. So we're going to take a look and we're going to factor this out. This one's going to be a little different. I wonder if you can predict what the answer is going to be. So we're going to FOIL p times p is p squared, and then outer negative 1p, inner negative 1p, and then finally positive 1. So when we combine like terms, we end up with p is equal to negative 2p plus 1. So whenever you see a case like this where it's the square root of, not the square root, the square of this negative number in there, you're going to end up with something like this. I'm going to skip down and do a more complicated one just to kind of show you, because you're going to see something like this on your practice work. So you're going to see 8a squared plus 4 and 8a squared minus 4. So, what do you think? You're going to end up with something similar to that right there, right? The thing that might throw you on this one, I actually put this on the practice problems, is that there's actually a coefficient in the a squared. Don't let that mess you up. You're just going to multiply it normally. So, in fact, since that one, yeah, actually included this one on here too. So if you have any questions at all about these problems, don't hesitate to ask for a Google Meet or something to help you get through this. But it's not as complicated as it looks. So if you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.